I'm gonna talk today about this Silky Handsaw. After 1 year using it, I gotta say that it's the best handsaw I've ever used. I've been working for many years with agroforestry, being a farmer in Brazil and here in Hawaii. And this is by far the best the best handsaw I've ever tried. I've tried many of them, and this is very durable. I've been using this for the first time for about a year, and I'm gonna make 3 cuts here to show you how fast it cuts and how still really sharp after 1 year of using. So be careful when you buy brand new one because it's really sharp saw. They sell these ones with 3 different size of blades. Mine is the 330 millimeters. Is the smaller one, but it's still really exactly what I need. I'm an arborist, tree climber, and I've been working with this handsaw up in the trees, and I really wanted some handsaw that cuts really fast and efficient. So it comes with this hook here, which helps me a lot when I need to pull any branch and make a final fast cut. Also, it's really light, 0.8 pounds. It's really light and really ergonomic in my hand. This fits really well. It's a really nice grip. It's a rubber. This is rubber, and it just perfectly fit my hand. I have a big hand, but still really impressive how it cuts, how fast it cuts, how efficient it cuts, and how durable. This is a little rust, as you can see, but I'm sure I didn't take really good care of it. I was using it and not cleaning after using it. So I'm pretty sure if you keep cleaning, you're gonna have a shiny blade for way longer time than me. And they also sell these blades, so you can take this off and just buy the blade and switch for a new blade when you need. I can do a upgrade video when I'm changing my blade, but after 1 year, as I said, it's still cutting really good, as if it's a brand new Silky. It comes with this yellow, good to see if you're farming, if you're out in the forest. It comes with the leg straps that you can use in your leg, which I don't have it here right now, but it's really comfortable. We can put around your leg and walk around and climb trees with this. So I'm gonna make these 3 cuts. This is the smallest, thinner branch I got. Please use gloves when you're doing these cuts. So this is the smallest one. It cuts really clean, the wood. If you need to prune fruit trees, as an example, you're gonna make a really clean cut. So this is really important for fruit trees. I have this other log here, which I cannot even embrace with my hand. If you have any other handsaw that you like more than Silky, let me know please in the comments, because I really need to know. So I'm gonna do the second cut. I'm not using all my strength to cut this. It's really smooth cut. And as you can see, it's beautiful, clean cut. Here we go for the thickest one. I need my both hands, and I can touch my fingers. Barely can touch with my both hands. So it's about this thick. And remember, it's been a year I've been cutting with this handsaw. It is really impressive. As you can see, this log is pretty thick. So here you go, review for this, and I gotta tell you, it's the best handsaw ever. Have fun, be careful, take care. Thank you for watching.